Okay, go ahead and find this Kinder packet that says math on it. And I want you to flip to the very back where you see all these teddy bears. And it says the counting game at the top. Feel free to pause this video until you find it. All right, I want you to watch how I play first, and then you can play, okay? And you also got one of these special hearts. If you can't find it, that's okay. You can use a penny or something else. But this is a heart that everyone in kindergarten got because it's almost Valentine's Day, and we're gonna play with the heart. So, the counting game. Put your playing piece anywhere on the path to get started. I'm gonna put mine right here. And then you're gonna take a dice. You all have a dice. You're gonna roll it. 6. So I'm gonna count 6 around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm gonna count how many bears are on the one that I landed on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, funny! I rolled 6 and there was 6 bears. That's a coincidence. So now I'm gonna find 6 on my mat. I see it a few times, and either I can cross it out with a pencil, a whiteboard marker if it's in my sheet protector, or I can put a little object on it, and I just happen to have some bears right here. So every place I see a 6, I'm gonna put a bear on it. Okay. All right, or for now I'll just put one of them on because I might get 6 again. I'll just put one bear. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, how many bears are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number is 9? There it is. So I'm going to put one bear on top of 9. Okay, I'm going to roll again. 5. 1. And we count on. We don't count this one. We count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bears here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 again. So I'm going to cover up another 9. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was easy. That's only 2 bears. So find the 2 on the mat. And once I get 5 in a row, I can stop and the game's over. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bears are there? 1, 2. Oh, 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I'll find 5 on my mat. And oh, I forgot to show you that this is a free space right here. So you can mark that one off already. All right, let's keep rolling. We're getting closer. Only 1. 3 bears. So I find a 3 on there. There's a 3. Oh, we're getting a lot closer to having 5 in a row. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bears again. Oh, there's another 9 I can cover. All right, so once you get to 5 in a row, you've won and you can go on to the next one, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play on the other board this time. So you can flip the page and go to this counting game. And here you have to count the dots in the 10 frame, but you shouldn't have to count them if you already see that they're all full. You'll know that that's a 10. Or a 5 and 4 more is a 9. It's just 1 less than 10. See in your mind if you can start recognizing these 10 frames without even counting them. And you play this one the exact same way. You'll start on a number, you'll roll the dice, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm on the number 4, so I can cross out that number 4. And then go on to the next one. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can tell that that's a 9 because it's just 1 less than 10. So I will cross out the 9. Okay? And then after you play that one, You can play the counting game. This one's with fingers. So you have to count the fingers. So let's say we start on 5. This is only 5 fingers up because there's none there. So 5 plus 0 is 5. And then I'll roll the dice. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 2 more. 5 and 2 more is 7, right? So I would find the 7 and cross it out. And keep going until you get 5 in a row, this way, or diagonally. Just like in bingo, right? And then this is a fun one. This is with tally marks. We're gonna start at the top or wherever you want. I'm starting at number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's number 4. I see 4 tally marks. So I'd put something on the 4, or I'd cross out the 4. Now remember, if you see something that looks just like this, you're gonna know it's a 5, because remember we have 4 sticks and then the 5th one goes across. So you can just look at this. If it has no more extra, that's a 5. And if you see 2 5s, you know right away that's a 10. So we're getting quicker and quicker at recognizing numbers. This is the biggest challenge. If you are ready for the challenge, then go ahead and do these last 2. If you're not ready for the challenge, that's okay. You can save this game for another time. But this is where you're gonna have to count by 10s. Every time you see a full 10 frame, you're gonna count by 10s. So I see a perfect full 10, so I would know that that was number 10. Or I could see 10, 20. Here I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I have to start counting by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, so if you see a full 10 frame, you count it by 10s, but then if it's not all the way full, you start counting by ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So let's start. Number 6, let's say I start right here. I'm going to move 6 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, help me count this one. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Or I could just say 20 plus 8 is 28. And then I would mark off that one, right? I'd find the number and mark it off. You might want to get help with your parents on this one, or brother and sister. Okay? See if you can get 5 in a row, that way, or that way. And last but not least is our tallies, and this is also a really big challenge one. This is like first grade math. So if you want to try this, go ahead. I'll show you how I would do it. So start somewhere, anywhere on your board. I'm going to start there. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here's where I have to actually learn to count by 5s, or I can group them into chunks of 10 by circling them. So I could do 10, 20, 30, and then count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Or if I knew how to count by 5s, I could just go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then count on 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so this is good motivation to start practicing counting by 5s. Well, I really hope you enjoyed those games, and I hope you'll start with the basic one of the bears. Unless this is just too easy for you, then you can skip to the last 2. Okay, have so much fun with this, and don't forget to find your little heart, and happy Valentine's Day!